Dolphins, marine mammals that can communicate using sound, unlocking the mysteries of their sonic language. Hey there, ocean lovers and curious minds. Have you ever wondered how dolphins, the playful and highly intelligent creatures of the sea, communicate with each other beneath the waves? They don't just swim and play all day. They're constantly interacting through an incredibly sophisticated system of sound. Yes, you heard that right. Dolphins use sound to talk to each other, navigate the vast oceans, and even hunt for food. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of dolphin communication, and you're going to be amazed at the secrets these marine mammals hold. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore how dolphins use sound in ways that might just blow your mind. Sound production in dolphins, how they create their words. Let's start by understanding how dolphins actually make these incredible sounds. Unlike humans who use vocal cords, dolphins rely on specialized structures in their heads called phonic lips. These phonic lips are located near their blowholes, and they work much like a wind instrument, vibrating to create different types of sounds. The beauty of this system? Dolphins have total control over the sounds they produce, adjusting pitch, tone, and frequency on demand. But here's the catch. Dolphins don't have a voice box, which means they don't speak like we do. Instead, they communicate through two primary sound types, clicks and whistles. Let's break down how these two sounds are used and why they're so critical to dolphin life. Clicks. Echolocation, a dolphin's built-in sonar system. Imagine being able to navigate the entire ocean using nothing but sound, just like Batman's sonar or a submarine's radar. This is what dolphins do every day with their echolocation abilities. When a dolphin sends out a series of rapid clicks, those sound waves travel through the water, bouncing off objects and returning to the dolphin's highly sensitive ears. By listening to the echoes, dolphins can determine everything about their environment, even in complete darkness. Now you might be wondering, what exactly do dolphins use echolocation for? It's primarily for navigation and hunting. In the ocean, light doesn't always reach the deep or murky waters where dolphins hunt. But with echolocation, they can see their surroundings with precision. They can detect fish, identify the shape and size of objects, and even assess the texture of surfaces, all based on the returning echoes. It's like having an X-ray vision that works underwater. But wait, here's the kicker. Dolphins can distinguish between different types of fish, or even individual objects, based solely on the returning sound. They can even sense the fish's movements, which helps them target prey accurately. Imagine being able to see in 3D with your ears. That's how advanced their echolocation is. Whistles, the social language of dolphins. Now let's shift gears and talk about whistles, which are at the heart of dolphin social interactions. Dolphins are known for being incredibly social creatures. They live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to over 100 dolphins. Within these pods, dolphins communicate through a variety of sounds, but the whistle is their main tool for interaction. One of the most fascinating aspects of dolphin whistles is that each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, which is essentially its name. Just like how humans call out to each other by name, dolphins use their signature whistles to identify one another. Imagine you're at a crowded party and someone across the room calls out your name. Instantly, you turn around because you recognize the sound. That's exactly what dolphins do with their signature whistles. They use them to call out to friends, family, or members of their pod. And get this, dolphins can modify their whistles. If a dolphin enters a new pod, it might adjust its whistle to match the sounds of the group. This shows that dolphins are incredibly adaptable and socially flexible. They even use whistles to express emotions. When they're excited or playful, their whistles become rapid and high-pitched. When they're feeling distressed or want to warn others about danger, their sounds take on a different tone, more intense and urgent. Social bonds, how sound helps dolphins stay connected. Dolphins are extremely social animals, and their reliance on sound for communication is a crucial part of their relationships. Dolphins form close-knit family groups, and vocalizations play a big part in maintaining those bonds. For example, when dolphins are separated, they often call out to each other using their signature whistles to re-establish contact. This helps ensure that the pod stays together, even over long distances. But communication isn't just about keeping in touch. It also helps dolphins work together as a team. Imagine a pod of dolphins hunting for fish. They use a combination of clicks, whistles, and coordinated movements to herd the fish into tight groups, making them easier to catch. In fact, dolphins have been observed engaging in cooperative hunting, where they communicate and work together seamlessly to capture prey. Sound plays an essential role in this teamwork, as it helps dolphins coordinate their movements, share information about prey, and avoid stepping on each other's fins. The brain power behind dolphin communication. Now let's talk a little about why dolphins are so good at using sound to communicate. One of the reasons dolphins are such exceptional communicators is because of their highly developed brains. Dolphin brains are actually larger, proportionally, than those of humans. They have a complex neocortex, which is the part of the brain responsible for processing sensory information and making decisions. This advanced brain structure allows dolphins to process sounds with incredible accuracy and precision. In fact, dolphins have been known to learn new sounds and modify their vocalizations as they grow and interact with different pods. This suggests that dolphins have a level of cultural transmission, passing down behaviors and vocal patterns from one generation to the next, just like how humans learn language. And get this, researchers believe that this ability to learn and adapt could be one of the reasons dolphins form such unique and dynamic communities. It's like having a language that evolves over time. Could dolphins be talking to each other? Here's a fascinating question. Could dolphins actually be having conversations? While we don't fully understand the complexities of dolphin vocalizations, researchers believe that dolphins' ability to combine clicks, whistles, and body language suggests they might be capable of more than just simple calls. They could be exchanging detailed information, like telling each other about the location of food, warning about predators, or even expressing emotions. While we may not be able to understand their conversations fully, the fact that dolphins can convey specific information with such precision and nuance is extraordinary. Imagine being able to communicate about specific objects, actions, or emotions using just sound. That's the level of sophistication we're dealing with here. Conclusion: dolphins and the power of sound. So the next time you see a dolphin leaping gracefully out of the water, remember that it's not just playing, it's talking, listening, and navigating its world with sound. From their ability to echolocate and see in the dark, to their complex social language built around clicks and whistles, dolphins are masters of the sonic world. If you're as amazed by these intelligent creatures as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the wonders of nature. Got any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about the amazing world of dolphin communication. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the mysteries of the ocean. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep exploring and keep discovering.